In just 2 weeks, early voting will begin for this year's Sioux Falls School Board election.
Election day is May 18th. 2 spots will be open, and KELOLAND's Dan Santella is introducing you to all 5 candidates in a 2-part set of reports tonight and tomorrow. Good evening, Dan.
Don, tonight I'll introduce you to 3 candidates: Corey Begley, Mark Murrin, and Paulette Ludens. Corey Begley is on active duty with the South Dakota Army National Guard.
Was looking for my next opportunity to be able to serve the public. Thought this would be a great chance to. Community engagement's big with me, and believing that the community needs to be involved in the public school district, and also to support the teachers. My wife is a teacher in the Sioux Falls School District.
Mark Murrin and Paulette Ludens are each retired with ties to the district. Murrin taught and coached at Washington High School. Ludens works part-time driving a bus for the district.
I just really wanted to get back to the community, so I checked out what was open, maybe some boards I could be on, and I saw that there were 2 openings on the school board.
I love kids. I love students. I think education is probably the most important role to success. And I'm not talking about higher ed, whatever. I'm just, talking about a basic, good high school education. And I believe in young people.
Given the size of the Sioux Falls School District, as well as its proximity to other communities, this district's influence can extend beyond Sioux Falls. The 3 candidates addressed what has their attention with the school district.
2 of the biggest things that I'm looking at is our transportation, bringing more transportation to our students, decreasing the walk zones, things on that line, and then fiscal responsibility.
I'm a big believer in reading education, stressing reading at all levels, K through 12, but especially the primary grades, of course. That's where it gets a good start. And, I'd like to see some things that we could do to help people read better. As I'm driving school bus again, I've had a lot of interaction with the teachers and students, and I've been questioning them. What's good? What do you like? What would you like to change? So they're excited about the new schools.
Tomorrow night, we're planning to profile the other 2 people running for the open spots on the board. May 3rd, 2 weeks from today, is not only when people can vote early, it's also the voter registration deadline. And if you'd like to check on your registration information, you can find a link that we're including in this report on KELOLAND.com.
Thanks, Dan.